Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making a natural leather long bifold wallet. We will be using these templates and natural vegetable tan leather which has not been oiled and dyed. If you want to make a wallet like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video with PDF pattern available on the 8th of April. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing as it helps this channel grow. First things first, I cut out the main chunk and add an additional layer of oil to make the leather look more alive. After, dye it with chocolate color dye. Then, add tank coat to give the leather more rigidity and shine. After that, using the templates, I cut out all needed pieces and prepare for work. Now, the tedious part. Time to bevel the edges, thin needed pieces, and prepare the edges with sandpaper and edge dye. I will be using two types of skiving knives, French edgers, and some sandpaper. I'll note that this part is optional, but I've decided to dye the back of the leather wallet as well. Note that throughout the build I use the following technique for dyeing edges. Sand with 240 sandpaper, apply one coat, then do the same with 800 paper, apply final coat of edge dye. You can continue up to 2000 grit, but it's personal preference. We're finally moving to the assembly. Here I'm roughing up the edges for the card slots panel and start adding the pockets. Glue one in, make stitching holes and stitch it up before adding another. I'll note that the last pocket will be only glued in for now. Then mark the middle, make holes and stitch it up. This will serve as a divider and give us more card slots. We now move on to the other side, coin pouch. Time to add the snaps to both top and bottom. Glue those two parts together. Before proceeding, we need to finish the flap, so I mark holes, stitch it up, and add a snap and attach it to the main panel. Let's get back to the card and coin panels. We now need to mark our lines and prepare the holes as we are about to stitch the wallet up. This step is optional. You can either glue in the panels and then make holes to the back panel, or do as I did and prepare them in advance. Last step is to glue and stitch it all up one side at a time. The finishing touches now. Bevel the edges, sand them if needed, and use the technique mentioned before for applying edge dye. You can also skip the dyeing process and just burnish the edges with toconol instead. And there you have it, a natural leather bifold long wallet. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another one.